Hey, what's up? It's Jasmine Rozay and I'm back with another video. So today I'm just going to show you how I make wigs on a sewing machine. I make wigs for clients on the side. So a client decided to bring her own bundles and get a bob made by me. So that is what I'm doing today. I'm just going to go ahead and secure the closure down to the cap, making sure that it's centered. And then also I'm going to go ahead and sew it down. I do recommend sewing it down because you don't have to worry about it later, and then that way when you're finished you can just go ahead and secure it with that final track when you get to the top. So after I finish securing my closure down to the cap, I'm just going to go ahead and start drawing my guidelines. Usually I draw my lines further apart when I make a bob because I'm only using 2 bundles and not 3. And also your lines don't have to be perfect, long as you have them straight enough so that you have something to go based off of when you're on the sewing machine. After I finish securing my sewing down my closure and then doing my guidelines, I'm just going to go ahead and start doubling my wefts, being sure to keep them nice and close together and flat. basically all you have to do now is just start sewing your track onto the cap, and you just followed your guidelines that you already started, making sure that when you first start your track, you need to go back and do a backward stitch about 3 or 4 times, just to make sure that it's secure and that it's not going to go anywhere. And I'm just gonna continue to do that till I get all the way to the top, and I'm gonna show you what I do when I get down to my final track. So once I get to the top, I'm just going to take a single track and lay it right beside my closure, and just as helps to secure the closure down, as well as securing that last track so that it's nice and seamless at the top. And that's pretty much it. Just gonna go ahead and cut away that excess cap, and then I just have to go in and clean it up a little bit, cut away those strings from the inside, and that'll be it. If you would like to place an order, you can email me or click the link in my bio. And this is the finished product. Make sure you like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. Let me know in the comment section. Thanks.